Today is a rainy day. Let me introduce where the DC air compressor can be used on dump truck. Today, this car is used when the truck bed is raised and the pneumatic cylinder to open dump truck tailgate hose. Compared with traditional hydraulic cylinder, it is more flexible flexibly, quickly and cleanly. To start DC air compressors, rapid inflation capability are also commonly used for air horns, cleaning the driver's seat, air-operated valve, inflating tires, using pneumatic tools to repair cars outside, etc. As long as the work requires pressure or wind, it can be done. With this to start DC air compressor, everything is okay.
2-star from Taiwan. www.2star.com.tw